What's up, YouTube watchers? I want to talk today about the Kohler flapper. Why I decided to make this video, because sometimes people, they don't realize that little thing can cause flood. And how it can cause flood, I'll explain to you by replacing the flapper. So what we do first, there's a shadow valve just underneath this toilet tank. And then I shut that door down. And now I'm flushing the tank. We need the empty tank just in case. It's gonna flush anyway. So I'm gonna remove the old flapper from here, and I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'm gonna show you the difference between the new one and old one. So why you need to replace, because this toilet already running all the time, non-stop. And fill valve filling up the water. So let's say this is a different. I want to show you first what's the difference between them. See this is the new one, this is the old one. See, it shrunk already. So, and you see the line here where it's releasing the water. If your toilet is not clogged, you're fine. So that means you're not gonna get overflow. So, but just in case you have a guest in your home, so they use the toilet, they put tons of, toilet paper, they try to flush it. It's gonna flush, let's say, first time, but you're gonna get stuck somewhere, and then just because of this little leak, so water is gonna be running all the time non-stop. That can cause a big flood, because even you're home, you go to bed, you're not realizing how much water can overflow, or in the morning, because if you have two bathrooms and your guests used it, or either the kids can throw something in the toilet and clog it, and that little water, like filling up, overflow, it can flood and make a big damage. So that's this video is all about. What you need to watch your flapper. It's very basic thing. You just remove it and then take it out and install the new one. That's all. It's very simple. Yeah, if you think this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and leave comments.